Hello, well, I wanted to create this video to show how to automatically post things on your LinkedIn page. So if I'm on my profile, if I come down here to my posts right here, my activity, I can show all posts, and then I get here and I can see that I have posted, and I can see that I've posted 9 hours ago, then 11 hours ago I posted this one manually, but the one on AI, or the ones on AI, post automatically. So this one went earlier today, this one went yesterday, this went 2 days ago. So every day there's a post. This was manual, and then the AI posts are automatic. So I create an account in Zapier, which is basically a cloud-based automation tool, and I go in and create a Zap. And I'm going to create one just to show, well, I'll show the one that I'm already using. So basically there are 3 components to it. One is a scheduler that basically says, okay, at this time, every whatever day, weekday, single day, every single day, whatever, perform these activities. The second one says go into ChatGPT and run basically a question to ChatGPT. And then the last one is to post it to my LinkedIn page. So if I come over here and look at it and I click on edit, I can probably show it this way. If I click on this one, it says, when am I going to do this? I'm going to do this every day. Good. So if you were starting this from scratch, you would just go and you would add a, they call it kind of a component or something. I'll do this in a minute. Continue every day at 10 a.m. Fine. Do you want to do it on weekends? No. Trigger on weekends, whatever. So whatever that answer is, that's how you set it up. So this is, probably change that if you want to change it. And then I can test it. So I'm not going to test it again. So I go to this one. And this one basically says, okay, log into your ChatGPT account and create a conversation where you ask it a question. Continue. Here's the question that I ask it. It says, based on knowledge of current AI trends, write a concise LinkedIn post for under 300 words and summarize the article. You can see what I ask it there. So I ask it this, and I'm using GPT-4 Turbo, and I'm going to use it as a post conversation. I don't know why it says OIN instead of ION. I don't think I typed that. Anyway, and then kind of you need to know what, username, and it's always going to be assistant. There's some other examples on the internet of this, and then continue, and then I could test it again. I'm not going to test it because it will actually post something. So I'm going to hit continue, and then down here it's basically saying, okay, fine. So now that you've got this, post it on your LinkedIn account. That's it. So let's go back here to the Zaps, and I'm going to create one, a new one. And up here, I'm going to, I can get rid of this if I want, but let's say I'm going to say, every day I want to post, I want to send a query to ChatGPT and ask it a question, then post the result to my LinkedIn page. So now it's going to figure out how to put all this stuff together, and it's pretty much got everything, or most everything I need. So here's the scheduler. So I'm going to add the scheduler. Boom. And then I don't know what this one does. I didn't use it. I'm going to select the LinkedIn one. And then this one here, I'm going to click that, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to select ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm going to select that. That puts it in here. So this gives me the framework for what I want to do. And then up here I can select the schedule, time of day. You can select the time of day here. Let's just say you make this, and it's in GMT. So you got to kind of convert it, but it's 5 hours off. You can make it 2 p.m. and then it'll post it like 9 o'clock in the morning. And then you come over here, you could test it. Test trigger, works fine. And then you can continue. I don't think you need that. And then you're in ChatGPT. There's some things you have to do here. You have to tell it how you want to set this up. It's going to be conversation. Boom. Then you have to select an account. I've already connected my account. If you don't, you would connect your ChatGPT account here. And then you would say, here's the message. I'm not going to finish this out. Here's the message. Here's the kinds of things that I had in mind before. And then in the next step, you would actually have it log into your LinkedIn account, and that's how it would work. So I'm going to back here to Zaps, because if that's sitting there, this is the untitled one. So I'm going to get rid of it. So there's a small fee for Zapier. I think it's $20 a month or something. Then there's a fee for ChatGPT for this API. It's not much either, but so that's what I do, and that's how I got to getting these posts in here every day. You can see that each day it's showing like here's 108 impressions, 164, 333. So it's drawing attention to my page, and if I can find the page where it shows visits, maybe I go here, and I'm going to view profile. Not exactly what I wanted to do, so I'm going to go here and profile view, so you can see 1,256 post impressions. That's really over the course of the last week. And then profile views 644. So if I click on this, it'll graph them and kind of show that every day I'm getting at least anywhere from 50 to 80 every day. That's pretty good. If I go back and just hit the impressions, you can see that kind of probably I started maybe on the 28th, and you can see where it's peaking out. Anyway, so that's it. I'm gonna wrap up the video. Bye.